Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Loft and welcome to this week's weekly update where we're going to take a little bit of time looking at my dividend investing portfolio, see what's changed from week to week. So let's jump straight in and have a look, and if you haven't already, remember to subscribe. So starting with the value, we had a portfolio value of £3,241 last week, and that was 2 weeks in a row that we'd actually had that value, with the previous change being 66p. However, this week we've got a new value of £3,302. So overall we're up £61, but some of this was money that I'd additionally invested into the portfolio. If we look at the return to see how the actual performance of the portfolio has been over the last week, we can see that there has been an increase. We've gone up from £300 to £343. So that is obviously an increase of £43. But in a percentage term increase, we've gone up from 10.2% to 11.59%. So essentially we've gone up 1.4%-ish overall. Now, if we compare that to the VOO, we can see that the VOO has actually gone up close to 2.6%, so close to an entire percentage above my portfolio's rate increase. However, we kind of expect that, as I've said on multiple videos, when the VOO goes up, my portfolio tends to go up, but not as much. And when the portfolio goes down, the VOO tends to go down a lot more than the portfolio. So overall, no massive concerns there. Now let's jump into some purchases, because there was a purchase over the last week, and this one was for one full share of AT&T, which I did on the 14th. Overall, I spent £18.56p, which brought my new position in the company to 5 full shares, averaging £21 a share, and currently I'm down around £14 on the overall investment. Now, that isn't it. Obviously, we've also got dividends. So we had a total of £3.78 come in the form of dividends. Starting on the 11th with GSK, who sent over £1.71 for the 9 shares that I hold. Then we had the 13th with Altria. They sent over £1.68 for a total of 3 shares that I hold. And on the 15th, we have the alternate company that does the exact same thing, Philip Morris. They sent over 39p for holding half a share. So that's the overall actual changes in the portfolio. I do like to quickly have a look and see which companies have moved the most up and down in the portfolio. So in regards to the top 3 companies that have moved in an upwards direction, we have Simon Property. They're up around 6.16%. Then we have Omega Healthcare. They're up around 5.96%. And then we have Stag Industrial. They are up in total around 5.3% over the last week. If we then flip this and look at the main losses, we can see that the top drop has come in from AT&T. They're down around 4%. Then we have Carnival down 3.17%. And then we have Cineworld, who are down around 2.4% overall. So that is the main updates with the portfolio. We have seen some good increases over the last week, but not as high as the VOO. And we still had some okay dividends come in. So that's nice to see. Either way, I do hope you've enjoyed the update. If there's anything you want to ask, any questions, things like that, drop it down in the comments below. Remember to like the video, and until next time, remember to invest, save, and subscribe.